Good morning guys, it's Tari from ABI Interiors here, and today I'm at the Lake House, which is a very bold, very modern build here on the Gold Coast. It's by Cannon's Developments. Let's check it out. This big door. So stepping through that big, gorgeous timber entrance door at the front, the first thing you're greeted with is this encased little courtyard here. You've got all your main living areas surrounding here, the bedrooms up the top. It really just feels like the heart of the home. This place really is an entertainer's delight, and speaking of, let's go look at the bar. Okay, how dark and moody is this bar area? You've got those warm timbers down here, but then the black fluted detailing, all topped off with the brushed brass. It doesn't feel enclosed though, despite the fact that it is very dark. It still feels very spacious because there's just so much natural light pouring in. This whole living area along here is just flanked by windows along this side, looking out at this panoramic view. How generously sized is this kitchen? I cannot get over the size of this island benchtop here. The whole space is very geometric, even down to the tiling detailing here, but also just the shape of the architectural shape of everything. It all just kind of points down to this one focal point in the middle of the brushed copper kitchen mixer here. The detailing in this place is just phenomenal. That brushed copper also comes up in the cabinetry pulls. It's even in the trimming on the oven as well. And this is an inbuilt coffee machine. Come check out the scullery. Let's go exploring. So here on our right, we have the wine cellar, the powder room, and the entrance to the cinema. Cute little sitting area just here. And in there we have the laundry. Let's head upstairs. Oh my gosh, look at this giant void down here and that big feature light. Okay, so I want to take you into the master bedroom, but first go take a look at the guest suite. I'll meet you in the master. Welcome to the master suite. This is a lot lighter and brighter than the spaces downstairs, isn't it? But I do like that they've still kept that high contrast with the black timber paneling along here. It's very spacious, and look at that view. What a place to wake up in the morning. Let's check out the ensuite. Okay, there's one word to describe this ensuite. It is spacious. Double basin, double shower head. And you've even got a bath with a view. I love that they've brought that geometric tile from the kitchen back into this space. They've got a lot of raw elements, but it does still feel warm because they've brought those timbers back in, and the brushed copper just keeps it really warm and really homey. Thank you so much for coming on another home tour with ABI Interiors. We'll see you guys next time.